This is a quick blog on putting together a commercial cleaning brochure. Now, this can apply to commercial cleaning, janitorial, commercial carpet, and tile cleaning. It's all the same concept. And what we are focused on for this brochure is tapping into a prospect's emotions, tapping into their fears. And the headline is Watch Out for That Next Step. And what we're trying to imply is watch out for that next step before you hire a contractor, right? Before you hire another cleaner. And then we're showing that background picture of what can happen if you were to step on a banana and slip and fall down. So we're tying in the image with the headline, and that is a critical part of putting together a brochure because people can process images really fast. So this is the whole brochure as a whole, and we start off with the headline, watch out for that next step with the picture, then the subheadline, looking to hire a commercial cleaner, some text, and then our solutions to those problems. The starting point before even creating a brochure is to first fill out a customer profile. The customer profile, this is another blog that I have on creating a customer profile, and I use property managers as an example, but you can apply this to any industry or any prospect. And when creating a customer profile, what we want to do is think about what are the things that they want from us, and then in the case of this brochure, what are some of their fears, what are some of their pain points, and some of them real quick is contractors that are late, we don't answer phone calls, our texts are sloppy, unpredictable, pricing, inconsistent work. So these are some of their fears, and that's why we are using this customer profile first to think ahead on what are the problems, what are their fears. If I was them, thinking of things through their world, and then once we fill out a profile like this, we can then apply it to the brochure. And we try to do that through the images, through the headline, through the text, and then to provide to provide an actual solution to these problems. You can't just say, well, here's the problem. We have to actually provide a solution then of why we are better. So the next part is the first part is the headline. The next part is the subheadline and the copy. Looking to hire a commercial cleaner, could be commercial carpet cleaner, cleaning service that you could put in whatever service you wanted to focus on, and then explain. Well, in the cleaning business, in general, this applies to almost all the different services, is we are not always predictable, at least in their eyes. We think we are. They don't always feel the same way. If you go and interview a lot of customers, these are some of the things that they talk about is that we are unpredictable, and this unpredictability can create uncertainty in their building and put their job and their business in a vulnerable position. So that is the subheadline then, and then some copy. From there, we go to the bottom, which is, well, we identified a problem, we identified some of their fears, so what are we going to do about it? Well, we're different because we are going to give you a dedicated project manager. We are going, or you could say, if you're the owner, that the owner inspects every job, or there's all kinds of different ways that you could approach this. It's more of the point of we are going to be focused on your needs and tapping into, just give me 1 second, tapping into their fears, because these are their fears. So that's what we're trying to solve. Uh, some of them might be a locked-in pricing schedule for the term. If you give them an estimate, you can give them terms of, I can guarantee pricing for 2 years or 3 years or 1 year, depending on what service it is. Janitorial often can go in 2 and 3 and even 5 year terms for the big ones. So that locked-in pricing, that's something that a lot of the larger property managers like, because they can budget long term. Another problem is that we don't always keep to our appointments, or we say we're going to be there at 5 o'clock, then we show up at 6 or 7, and the techs make up excuses why the weather was bad, and that drives customers crazy, because they're probably going to meet you to show you around a building, and they want to go home. So that is one of the reasons to put this dedicated project manager, locked in pricing, on time, specific appointments. Now you can come up with your own. These are just some ideas to think about based on creating the customer profile. So this is just another snapshot of the brochure as a whole. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me.